Hello everyone, dear friends. In this video, I will show you a method that allows you to easily, quickly, and most importantly, safely trade cryptocurrency pairs using an AI trading bot. So let's not waste any time and get straight to the point. You can use this method on any device, whether it's a computer, tablet, or mobile phone. All you need to do is open any web browser and find this website called tradesmart.bot. I will leave a link to it in the description or in the first pinned comment under this video. This is what the site looks like, and it has the latest AI models integrated, which will be trading cryptocurrency pairs for you. All you need to do here is connect your cryptocurrency wallet. Also, keep in mind that you should have a balance in Ethereum, because that's the currency we'll be trading with. I have 2 Ether, and now I'm going to connect my cryptocurrency wallet. Choose the method that's convenient for you here, for example, Wallet Connect. Select your wallet. As you can see, there are many different sections on the website, but just follow along with me step by step so you don't get confused and everything will work out for you. Scroll down to the bot config section, and here we need to make some settings. First, choose a preset, and I strongly recommend selecting the optimal one, because it's the safest and almost always profitable. For the artificial intelligence model, you can either select Cloud Opus or leave it on Auto Select. Let's choose Cloud Opus, and now let's move on to selecting the investment amount. I have 2 Ether, so I choose 2 Ether. Leave network on Auto Select. This means it will automatically select the appropriate network for your currency. Click here on Start AI Trading. And just like that, there you go. The entire trading process has officially started for you now. Now, all the settings here will be automatic. And as you can see, trading with cryptocurrency pairs has already started. Right now, as you can see, the active trades section shows the trades that the bot is opening for us, and we just have to wait for it to close them. And here, our earnings and total balance are displayed. How many trades we've made, how many we have, and look, on the very first trade we earned $205. That's just incredible. The next one closed at minus 0.02 and the following one at plus 0.83. So basically, now we'll just wait while it continues to make trades. Let's wait for a while and see what our results are. So, friends, 5 minutes have passed and this is just incredible. We've made a profit of plus 33% and our profit is $1,300. Listen, I think we should close now. We just click here on Stop Trading. And as you can see, now we have the option to withdraw our profit of $1,275. And we'll also pay a 2.5% service fee directly from this amount. But this is just incredible. Today is just an amazing day for trading bot profits. We simply click the withdraw funds button here. The initiation process has started, and now we just wait for our funds to arrive in our wallet. And yes, friends, as you can see, everything has arrived. Let's go to the wallet now, refresh the page, and yes, everything is great, everything is just perfect. The transaction has successfully arrived, and it's just incredible. So that's the trading bot I demonstrated for you today. I hope this video was useful for you. So go ahead, use it, and thank you all for watching. See you in new videos. Goodbye everyone, and see you next time.